Hey everybody, Dan Breezy here. We are at Montclair Estates today doing due diligence. We're inspecting the interior and the exterior of the asset. We're taking a look at the roof, the windows, the siding, foundation. We're getting in every unit, just verifying the asset is in the condition we need it to be. We're going to be completing our CapEx plan, verifying that we have enough budget to upgrade the property as needed. So let's get going. So as we complete our due diligence today at Montclair Estates, we're verifying our CapEx plan is in line with what the property is needing. Our plan is to do 39 units at a $10,000 upgrade. Along with that, we're going to be doing some tree trimming and we're going to do some foundation repairs along with an exterior lighting package just to brighten up the asset. We're also going to be doing some exterior paint just to freshen up the asset, make some of the walls pop. We're going to be adding 15 to 20 covered parking spaces to increase our other income. And then we're going to convert a salon unit to a full rentable unit, which will drive NOI. We really love this deal in Garland, Texas. It's located in a unique pocket, and we are using a property management company that manages a couple other assets for us. So we have a lot of experience with them. They know our ownership style. We know their management style. They love this deal, and we believe in the team.
All right, so let's talk a little bit about the market and submarket that Montclair is located in. First off, it's in the Dallas-Fort Worth MSA. And if you're not familiar with Dallas-Fort Worth, it's had tremendous growth over the last 5 or 10 years. Just in the last 12 months alone, the market has added over 200,000 jobs, and there's a very diverse employment base, which we absolutely love. So we also absolutely love the location of where Montclair sits in Garland, Texas. First off, it's off of 2 major thoroughfares, Highway 635 and Highway 30. So easy in and out access for tenants if they're going to work or if they're going to an event or going to do something. It's also close to many local employers. So you have Amazon, you have Kraft Foods, you have US Food Service Group, many other employers right in the area. The other great thing is its proximity to local businesses that offer some really nice amenities. So first off, you're about a half a mile from the Dallas Athletic Club, and they host a great golf course. They also have a great fitness center, an aquatics program, youth events as well. So a fantastic amenity that's really close by for residents to utilize. We absolutely love the tenant base here as well. It's a 55 plus community, and there's a few things that we really like about the community. First off, the retention is very high. On average, we've been talking to the on-site staff, and tenants are staying 3+ years, which really cuts down on turn costs. The other item that we love is delinquency is very low. So this tenant base tends to pay their rent on time and actually pay their rent, which is great. The other fantastic thing is the supply and demand. So there's a shortage of supply and extremely high demand, especially in this submarket for 55 plus communities, especially active 55 plus communities. And so what we realized is when we shopped the competitor properties, they were all 96% plus average occupancy. So that shows us that we can come in, we're gonna have a high occupancy, and then we have some wiggle room on the rents as well. Another thing that we love about this property is the barrier to entry for tenants buying a home. The immediate neighborhoods around this property have home values of around $290,000 to $390,000, which creates a huge barrier of entry if tenants are looking to go out and buy a home instead of rent. Now, over the last year, the price increase has been just under 24% for the single family space in these neighborhoods. So a huge increase, and we see, large increases happening going forward as well.
This is the perfect property for the 55 plus active senior. It's got a fabulous pool, a fabulous grill station, and a big open area for people to socialize and get together. When we walked the property, we found the roofs were in great shape, the landscaping was in great shape, and the nice thing that the outside amenities, the landscaping is very, very inviting. When we went into the units, 44 units are left in partial upgrades, which gives us value to add upgrades in the future. They're in excellent condition and in perfect shape for this active senior community. We went into the exercise room and we have a great opportunity to update that area. We're going to put new flooring, new painting, and refresh in that area to make it a very active location for our 55 plus community. In our due diligence process, our team walks every unit, takes an inventory of what needs to be done, what needs to be upgraded for every unit. We also do a lease audit, verifying the leases to the rent roll. So when we take over the property, we have a great running start with our tenants. And we look forward to bringing to you a great property to invest in. And we are really excited about this asset.